The machine is equipped with emergency stop switch, over temperature protection, communication interface and buzzer. The power supply and main switch of the machine are on the left side of the machine. The machine is equipped with two methods of automatic water addition and manual water addition. Fill the water tank with water before using the machine. You can connect the water pump to supply water to the water tank, or you can manually add water to the water tank. It is also necessary to connect the air source to the machine. When the water tank needs to be cleaned, please open the drain valve. Adjust the foot cups under the machine to secure the machine. The machine uses three-phase electricity and a ground wire is required when connecting the power supply. Power on the machine after connecting the power. Turn on the emergency stop switch. There are two modes of fixed value test or program test in operation setting. Power mode settings. Timing setting, linear setting, waiting setting. When the fixed value test needs to be shut down regularly, set the time in the time setting and turn on the switch. Select fixed value test mode. Enter the monitoring interface, set the test temperature and humidity. Start the test. Enter the operation settings, select the program test mode. Enter program test settings. Set the program number. Set the test temperature and temperature change time. If the temperature of the two columns is the same, the setting of the first column is the temperature change time, and the setting of the latter column is the holding time. Set different temperature and time. The machine can carry out different temperature alternating tests. Set the test cycle. Enter monitoring interface, select program number. Start the test. Stop the test. View codes and data from historical runs.